subscribers and viewers! Welcome back to Menchie's Art and Hobbies. Today in our video, I'm going to show you a throwback photo gallery of me and my family's vacation to London, England. This will consist mainly of the different landmarks in London which are very popular and always frequented by tourists. To me, going to London is memorable because you get to see historic places. Some of them are with touch of royalty, which I like so much. And also, you get to do something unusual, like having a tea at the Palace Garden, which we did at the Orangery of Kensington Palace, which is the residence of Prince William and Princess Kate. Doesn't it sound interesting? And also, it's memorable to me because this is my only trip to London. My daughters have been there on several occasions, but me is my only travel to London. So, continue watching my video, and I hope that you will like it. One of the most popular and iconic sites in London is still Buckingham Palace. This is the official residence of the monarch or Queen Elizabeth whenever she is in London. This is so big, so vast, with 775 rooms and a place for a lot of royal functions. Also, a lot of tourists go there every day, all year long, including us, and we enjoyed taking photos in all different angles of the palace. We found out that there's more tourists in the morning, so we had to come back in the afternoon. In front of Buckingham Palace is a huge statue of Queen Victoria. Queen Victoria is the monarch of England who served for a long time, almost 24 years, and she was loved so much by her people. The reason why a lot of tourists come in the morning is to see the changing of the guards. This is the time when they have to relieve the existing guards with a new batch, and it happens from 10:45 in the morning until the process is finished. A lot of people come here, and you should go earlier so you could find a good spot wherein you can see everything that is going on. I enjoyed so much my visit to Kensington Palace. Just remembering that this palace was the place where a lot of royals resided. This is where Queen Victoria was born and lived for a long time during her childhood. This is also the place where Princess Diana and Prince Charles lived. And right now, this is the place where Prince William and Princess Kate are residing. It has a beautiful garden wherein I enjoyed looking at the flowers and taking photos of myself. This is also serving now as a museum and is still a place of royal residence. At the Orangery of Kensington Palace, you can book for an afternoon tea. And so we did. We had tea and bits of snacks that are nicely prepared, beautifully set in those royal-looking dishes, cups and saucers so beautiful. And this chance doesn't come every day that you dine in a palace garden. So it felt good. And it is something worth remembering. Another landmark in London that is most photographed is the Tower Bridge across the River Thames. It's usually mistaken as the London Bridge, but it's not. It's the Tower Bridge. So don't forget, when you go to London, take a good photo of you with Tower Bridge.